In this video, we'll take another look at the average function and some things you might need to do to get separate data to fit into an average function. Let's take a look. Here we have a list of gamers in a video gaming club, an internet gaming club. We have their names here, which state they're in, points they've earned, and the months that they've been participating in the group. Now, a general average is pretty easy. If we wanted average points for everybody, we could go average, select the entire range of numbers we're interested in, and get that number. Drop that decimal one. And again, nice simple formula. Average the entire range, one solid block. We could do the same with the months they've been playing. If we were interested in that, instead of C2 to C10, we'd go D2 to D10. Easy enough. One solid block of data that we're looking at. But suppose we had a different question. This is the average months for all. Suppose we were interested in the average for just the players from North Dakota. Well, we can do that. We can go average and we can select just those areas that apply. Let's see. North Dakota, there's one. Could go D2, comma. Who else is from North Dakota? D3, comma. D5, comma. And D8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And notice I'm not going to put a comma on the last one. I'm just going to put a parenthesis there. Give me the average of these four values, separately done. And it works. You can check the math on that if you like. I'll drop the decimal point or two. It's a non-contiguous average, an average applied over a non-contiguous area, cells that aren't together. You can do that. Now notice there I did it with separate cells. I can also make this happen with separate ranges. Suppose I was going to find the average of, let's do the average of the gals, how long they've been playing, equals the average. Let's see, who's a gal here? Sally and Jamie. I can select both of those and get a range that'll be labeled D4, D5. That'll work. Katie, got to get her, comma, and Chastity and Natasha. Now look at that. I've got ranges and separate cells all as part of my average. Hit enter, and it works. It gives me an average for those groups. So keep in mind, when you do averages, you can take an average of a solid block, but sometimes you don't want averages of the whole block. You just want selected data. You can use cell references separated by commas, and even range references separated by commas to get averages or other statistical measures from separate cells on your worksheet. Just another way to put the average function to work. Thanks for listening.